E weche mamoko en ni duond bura mar ODM ochano bago chenro mar welo motelo ne yiero ma adundo e kind tarik 24 nyaka 27 mar dweni. Ma en kaloro kod jakom mar aput mochung' ne yiero e ODM Emilia Wita gi jata tije Oduoro Ng'wen mowacho ni welogo ibiro bagi e yo mahuyanga. Weche mabende ne osir lwedo kod jakom mar ODM Mikae Gladys Wanga manolero ni ODM biro keto jochung' kuonde duto mantie yiero ma adundo. Ne gilero magi kinde mane ODM chiwo tiko ma nyalodia ni jochung' moko mane onge jogo malaro godo tiko mar ODM e kuonde chung' maggi.
And I want to assure the candidates that we will walk this journey to the election together. I also want to thank very much the National Elections Coordinating Committee led by Madam Awita. We believe in you. We know that you are capable so far. You have done a very, very good job. And for the candidates and for the constituencies and wards where we are going to be conducting nominations,
for the remaining seats where there is more than one aspirant, I want to assure you that the party primaries will be conducted between September 24th and 27th, 2025. The NEC is fully prepared and will ensure that the exercise is free, fair, transparent, and credible.
We are in ODM, and our party is ODM, and it remains so now and forever. And we will support ODM candidates in this election. We will campaign for them. I know the political environment that exists now is called broad-based, but that does not affect political parties. Every political party is entitled to fight for its seat.